Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the deck wash system on a snapper self-propelled 21-inch, looks like it's forward self-propelled lawnmower. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. Right here, you want to squeeze and pull it off. See that? And this end right here will twist into your garden hose. I got all these attachments. I have this off. Push this forward, it'll go on, or turn this. See, it's off there. On there is two valves, but yours will be different. So we're going to twist this on here just like so. Just like so. We're going to get that on there right just like that. Just like that. And all you gotta do is push down. It snaps. And then you just let her rip. And the second thing you want to do is start your mower. So you hold in your engine release while you pull your flywheel. Alright, you're going to want to do that for, it says 2 minutes. I'm going to turn that off. It's off, and all I got to do is push up on it and pull it off. See that? You just push up and pull off. You can't just pull it. You got to push that up and then pull off. And that's all there is. That's how you do the deck wash system on a Snapper 625 EX Briggs & Stratton, 6.25 foot-pounds gross torque at 2600 RPM per SAE J1940 150cc engine. That's what you do, Snapper. That's how you do the cleaning. That's how you clean it. And this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Enjoy your day. Remember, let's get to it. Let's do it. Have a great day. And to put it back on, you just push it down. It makes a nice little snapping noise. Take it off, you just pull up. See that? It's really neat. Really neat. See that? Yeah.